Alright, now, over this way, you can hop over. Can't remember if it's that way or if it was this way. Yeah, it was this way. Alright. The last time I camped here, there were a bunch of kids at this campsite partying. It was kind of nice. I got some beers. Sadly, I only got one today, but fuck, it's all good. Gotta wait till nightfall to really drink it though. Cause it's kind of. But we out here in bear country. I've only just seen a couple things. It's got that Sam across the way, and then Little Sam. Little Sam. And then Big Sam. It's a little hidden path that way. And now I'm gonna take my pack into the forest so we can set up our tent. Oh, not even that heavy. I just haven't packed with a heavy pack in a long time. Whew. This is so worth it though. Okay. It's also got a little bit of like blue smoky quartz out here too. That's super pretty. It's a lot darker in the forest than the camera's letting me show you. Some people camped up that way. Yeah. Ta-da! Yeah.
Which means that you should have fire stuff there.
Yep. That's why. Yeah, we are. And Shining Rock, we made it. Bear Country, Pisgah National Forest. We are here.
We're at Investor Gap.
We made it. Never mind. We did what I wanted to do. So, yeah.
And then...
So, and what's this mountain that I climbed? Cove Top?
So wait, we did Tenant? Yeah.
Grassy Cove Top. That's what I did then. That makes more sense. What?
These are the ones I saw yesterday. So that one maybe was from the day before.
Oh, shit. Yeah.
Right?
Another one. I don't know about that being a bear trap.
That's pretty
deep. Mossy as hell through here, though. Yeah, I don't know about that one. These, yes.
more up here.
This must be what we were hearing last night, then.
I bet this is
Or the night before.
Here's another one. We climbed over, went down, over, saw our tent, said,
No thanks.
"See ya."
Probably didn't even see it. That's cool, though. You sure that's not a rock over there?
Might be. You go look.
You can remember where the tent is? Yeah. Yeah, I remember it being intense. There's a trailer on the other side, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna do that one. Yeah, there we go. I'm doing this one. Yeah, pretty nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Gorgeous. We'll see you later. This is a cool little campsite. Have you heard of deadfall and bears? Oh. We did it. Heck yeah. Nice. Everyone comes in and they're like, where